Good morning students. Today we are here with the worksheet number 14 from the Directorate of Education, which is taken from your chapter Acid, Base and Salt. And today we are discuss about bleaching powder, baking soda and washing soda. So first is our bleaching powder. Its chemical formula is calcium oxychloride. It means CaOCl2. Students, bleaching powder is synthesized by the action of chlorine gas on dry slake lime. Dry slake lime is calcium hydroxide. When calcium hydroxide reacts with the chlorine gas, it gives calcium oxychloride, that is bleaching powder, and also water. What are the properties, student? It is a yellowish powder. It gives a strong smell of chlorine. It reacts with chlorine, so it gives a strong smell of chlorine. And third, it is soluble in water. Okay, got it? It is pale yellow. It gives strong smell of chlorine and it is soluble in water. And what are the uses? Uses is very easy, as we use it in our daily household work also. First, for the bleaching cotton and linen in the textile industry. Second, for bleaching the wood pulp. Third, for bleaching wash cloth in the laundry. In laundry, our wash clothes are bleached by using this bleaching powder. It works as an oxidizing agent in the chemical industries. It is used for disinfecting drinking water, because here chlorine is present and chlorine work as a disinfectant. So bleaching powder is also work as disinfectant of drinking water. Second one is our baking soda and baking powder. Mostly students are confused what is baking soda and what is baking powder. So today we are clear all doubts here. Firstly, you can see baking soda. Baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is NaHCO3, and it is produced by using sodium chloride, that is common salt. You can see the reaction: sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide plus ammonia. When aqueous solution of sodium chloride reacts with carbon dioxide and ammonia, it gives NaHCO3, that is baking soda. And students, when baking soda added with tartaric acid, it called baking powder. Both are different things, students. Don't confuse between them. Baking soda, that is sodium bicarbonate, when mixed with tartaric acid, then it called baking powder. And what are the uses? First, making baking powder. Second, it is used in antacid. Antacid means to remove excess of acidity. Third, it is used in soda acid fire extinguisher for making tasty and crispy pakoras added in food for faster cooking. Your mother add in the kitchen when they have to do the faster cooking. Okay. And the last one is washing soda. Washing soda, students, sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, 10H2O. 10H2O means there are 10 molecules of water. How it is prepared? It is prepared from sodium chloride or heating baking soda. When we heat the baking soda, we get washing soda. It is hygroscopic. Hygroscopic means it absorbs the moisture from air. Okay, students. What are the uses? It is used in the manufacture of borax. It is used in glass, soap and paper industry. It works as a cleaning agent and it removes permanent hardness of water. Permanent hardness of water means when you use that, not the tap water, you use the well water, you use the underground water, lots of minerals are present in that water which make the water hard. And when we have to wash the cloth with that hard water, we use washing soda. Why? Because it removes the hardness of water. It is better than soap. Okay. Now let's practice its exercise. Write the chemical name and formula of baking soda and washing soda. Chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate and its formula NaHCO3. And washing soda, Here on the right side you can get washing soda's formula Na2CO3 10H2O and its name sodium carbonate. Second, how is washing soda synthesized? So you can give this reaction when sodium bicarbonate means heating of baking soda gives sodium carbonate, that is washing soda. So in the green box you can give this chemical reaction for the preparation of washing soda. What is the difference between baking soda and baking powder? There a difference table is given. You can write from here. Name and write the formula of chemical which is pale yellow and give a smell of chlorine. In the starting we discuss about that. Property of bleaching powder, you can see bleaching powder is pale yellow and it give a strong smell of chlorine. It means the answer of fourth question is our bleaching powder, and write the formula CaOCl2. Fifth question is our the chemical used to kill the germs is washing soda? No. Why? Because to kill the germs we use bleaching powder as it contains chlorine. Okay. So the last answer is our, it is a false statement because bleaching powder is used to kill the germs because it carry chlorine. Okay students, I think today's worksheet you can learn about bleaching powder, difference between baking soda and baking powder, and about washing soda. If you like this worksheet, like our channel, share among your friend circle and subscribe it to get the more updates about worksheets and scientific aspects. Thank you.